Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming you meet Twitch requirements and connect your payment method in Creator Dashboard. You log in, open channel settings, and link PayPal or Stripe so donations can route instantly. Once done, verify your identity and enable two-factor authentication for payouts and security. Make sure tax and payout details are accurate because payouts fail otherwise. Now that payments are connected and secured, you're ready to add donation options and overlays. This is the first actionable step to accept funds safely. Next, pick a donations tool like Streamlabs or StreamElements and create a donation page, because these manage processing and alerts for you. You set minimum donation amounts, currency, and customize alert visuals and sounds so viewers know their contribution registered. Once configured, copy the widget URL and add it as a browser source in OBS or Streamlabs OBS. Test with a $1 donation or test function to confirm alerts, timing, and mute settings. If overlays block chat or webcam, when you go live, tell viewers how to donate and where the link lives, panel, chat command, or profile. You should monitor the donations dashboard for incoming transactions and payout status, because prompt review avoids chargebacks and failed payouts. If an alert or payment fails, test the alert URL, review payment logs, and reconnect API keys or relink PayPal. Often a single reauthorize fixes it. Finally, thank donors on stream to encourage more support and maintain clear records for taxes and payouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.